How you guys doing today? I hope all is well. I hope you guys had a marvelous holiday with your family. I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's Day. I know I did. I hope you guys, started off on the right foot with some positive vibes. I have some special announcements, of course. If you guys are clicking on this video and you guys know that this is the drone raffle giveaway video, and you have not entered, I'm sorry, it is too late. Now, I do have some good news for those who did not enter. I'm doing another giveaway. Subscription to subscribe, whatever. I'm sick and tired of stopping these videos in order to try to make a perfect intro. I suck at intros. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys at the end of this video, because without further ado, enjoy this video that we made for you guys, and good luck on the raffle if you guys were one of the entries. Again, talk to you guys at the end of the video. Enjoy. All right, time has started. I'm gonna hit the shuffle button here. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, I'm very excited for you guys. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Who is it gonna be? Who is it gonna be? Oh man, you say you never won nothing. You personally told me you never won nothing, man. Look, congratulations, my man. Congratulations. I want to congratulate Courtney. Courtney, congratulations. Man, you're a good friend of mine. I'm actually surprised you actually won. There's no rules to the raffle. Who can enter? A lot of my friends did enter because I do have a lot of supportive friends. Man, I appreciate you guys a lot. I'm happy that I can at least give back to some of, one of my biggest supporters since day one. So without further ado, whenever you see this video, just send me a message. You know where to find me, man. You already know. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna do way more giveaways. We're going to continue to do this, even past 1,000. But this is one thing that I'm gonna do for the next giveaway. If you guys want the opportunity to do a double entry for the next giveaway that I do, which might be a drone, because people said, I did another poll on Instagram, and people said to continue to do the drone stuff. So if it is a drone, again, and you want a double entry, this is all you have to do. Share this video. I don't care if it's on YouTube or if it's on social media. Just make sure you tag me, or or just post a link of my channel, whichever one. Just make sure that I'm aware of it. Definitely comment under this video, because you commenting is gonna make me remember, okay, the guys definitely entered, and then I'll be able to reference through this video. And then lastly, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and I hope I see you guys for the next one, man. Let's continue. The next videos is gonna be the New Year's, what are we gonna call it? Christmas, New Year's ride out, Santa Claus in New Year's on a dirt bike. I don't know. Let's get it, guys. Enjoy.